You guys can't see
gotta
our
be
lights, but
we're gonna like
I'm
bring
gonna
all
show
of
you
our
again.
dinosaurs.
I'm gonna show you again. Let me just make peace.
So I am busy with the boba one. This is Sarah's hot blind bag. This is all. This is not done. It is done actually. This boba one.
She's
I'm done with-
copying.
I made this fruit one. Wait, what's supposed to make that? I also got this hot one, but I'm still making it. I'm still making it because
When we go out and stuff, and I'm gonna make a YouTube channel. While we're going out.
Oh.
When we go again out.
But Elsa is gonna sleep here, Totas. So tomorrow we're gonna sleep tonight. So first Totas can go.
Dat gaan we nou eens doen.
Oh.
Zo klein.
Yo. But yeah, guys, we're gonna show you guys outfits and what is in our blind bags.
So first, I'm gonna put on foundation.
Okay.
Foundation on, and now we are gonna
Okay, blend.
I wanted to hold on with you guys up, but you guys were sleeping.
No kids.
I was trying to, but Zora was. Every time when I touch her, then she was kicking.
Ooh.
You. Ja, dat is altijd nog een kakzoen.
I don't know actually, but yeah. Okay, next we're gonna put on bronze.
Concealer.
Yeah. The light skin because we light. But I'm lighter than her, I think.
Wow, are you breaking?
No, I'm not braggy.
It looks like
I'm not.
This is my concealer spots. If you guys been asking me, because a lot of people see.
Oh yeah, there are a lot of people.
Who's that, people?
Anyway.
Anyway,
Okay, I'm gonna open my first one. Open yours.
The first one that we
The
made.
first one that we made, I made a fruit one.
I made a boba one.
Okay, let's see what we can get. So I can get the orange, apple, watermelon, grape, mango, banana. And then it says good luck, not for children under 6. Okay. And it's made in China.
cheap.
Anyway, so
Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah? So you must stick across, okay? So first one is strawberry.
Hoe zijn we in
Apple.
Poos.